Hello friends, let's continue to learn noun. So today we will discuss about noun numbers. So noun numbers. So noun has two numbers, namely singular, that we say ekvachan, plural, that is bahuvachan. So now let's try to understand what is singular and what is plural bahuvachan. So first of all we see the singular. So a noun is said to be singular if it refers to one person or thing. So when we refer to one person or one thing, that noun it is said to be in singular. मतलब एक जीव या प्राणी या वस्तु का बोध होता है जिसको हम लोग एक वचन सिंगुलर कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल वी हैव हियर बर्ड, लेक, टॉय, डॉग, पेंसिल एंड सो ऑन. सो लेट्स सी इन द एग्जाम्पल. द गर्ल इज एट होम. सो हियर द गर्ल इज सिंगुलर. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ओनली वन गर्ल. Second one, the pen is on the table. So the pen, only one thing you are talking, that is pen. So the pen is on the table. That's why since it is singular, noun is singular, that's why even the helping verb also is used as singular. So now let's see the plural forms. A noun is said to be plural if it refers to more than one person or things. मतलब एक से ज़्यादा का बोध होने से वह प्लूरल फॉर्म में होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव बर्ड्स, टॉयज, डॉग्स, पेंसिल्स एंड सो ऑन. हियर वी हैव एग्जाम्पल. द गर्ल्स आर प्लेइंग ऑन द ग्राउंड. सो गर्ल्स plural forms. So since girls noun here is plural, so we use the plural helping verb are. Second one, the pens are kept on the table. So pens, more than one pen. Let us say one chalk, two chalks, more than one. So same way here, pens are plural forms. So we also have to use plural helping verb. So singular noun, then you have to use singular helping verb. Noun is plural, then you have to use plural forms of the verb. So noun के साथ verb, pronoun and noun प्रभावित होते हैं. So number changes according to the use of verb, then use of pronoun and use of noun, it changes. And second thing you have to remember is that only countable nouns which we can count can have plural forms. So जिसको हम लोग गिनती कर सकते हैं उसी नाउन का केवल प्लूरल फॉर्म, दैट इज बहुवचन होते हैं. एग्जाम्पल्स आर हियर. पेन we can count one pen, two pens, three pens. So pen will have a plural form, pens. Pencil, again we can count, countable noun, it comes under the countable nouns. So pencils. Then table, countable noun, we can count, so it will have a plural forms, that is tables. Now let's see some of the nouns which is used for both singular and plural. So it is used for both singular as well as for plural. So those words are deer. So deer means heron. It is used same even for singular, even for plural. We do not make any changes. We write same thing as it is, either for singular or for plural, for both. Second one, innings. Next, sheep. Sheep also is used for both singular and plural. Then paise used for both singular and plural. We don't make any changes of these words. Next one is the noun used as plural. So this is only used as a plural forms only. So those words are clothes, arms, spectacles, chashma, then shorts, trousers, scissors, scissors means kanchi, scales, then we have ashes, then athletics, then thanks. When you say somebody thank you or short form thanks, so remember we have to use in a plural form thanks, then cards and so on. So these are the words that are only used in plural form. Singular form में इसका use नहीं होता है. So you have to remember these words. Now let us see some of the nouns or the words that appears to be plural but used as singular. बहुत सारे नाउन शब्द ऐसे हैं जो दिखने में तो लगते हैं बहुवचन है, प्लूरल है, बट देन इट इज यूज एज ए सिंगुलर और एक वचन में केवल यूज किया जाता है. सो सच वर्ड्स आर पॉलिटिक्स, मैथमेटिक्स, न्यूज, मिसल्स, फिजिक्स, innings. So we use in a singular form. Let's say for example, mathematics is difficult for me. So mathematics is, though it looks like a plural because ending word is s. So many of the students they mistake thinking that since word is ending with s, they use as a plural form. It is not a plural form. It is used as a singular form. So mathematics is difficult. Then some nouns are used only as a singular only. Okay, these are the nouns that are only used as singular. So such words are poetry, tea or coffee. So remember tea or coffee, it is used in singular form only. Then music, stationery, news, mathematics, scenery, money, furniture, knowledge, politics, information, advice and percentage. So these are the words or the noun that are used only in singular forms. They don't have or we don't use as plural forms. Whereas this side, since the ending words are s, so often we make mistake thinking that these words are used as plural forms, though it looks like appear to be plural, but then they are not so. So remember, these are the words that we use only as a singular. So after going through all these videos, if you like the videos, then please subscribe, like and share with your friends and let them learn also. Thank you. Have a great day.